Hey Facebook friends, this is Mike Martin with Danchuk Manufacturing coming to you from the Goodguys Pacific Northwest Nationals in Puyallup, Washington. We got a little unicorn siding here. It may look like just a regular two-door wagon, but it's a windowed sedan delivery. These are fairly rare. They're usually issued to government agencies or like Forest Service or U.S. Army or whatnot. But here we get to see a fully restored one. Just a beautiful example of what this just simplicity and simple clean cars are. Just pan out, we're over at the car corral, the Trifive car corral, and taking it in. We got some music playing in the background, so just just take it in as an additional entertainment here. Let's step down off this here and take a walk around and let's see what we've got here. It's just been an amazing showing here. A lot of support for Danchuk. Danchuk makes the parts. We make it for you, and we love doing it for you. Come by and see us at booth 168 in the Showplex building. We're just having a beautiful day here. Things are looking pretty awesome. The weather's nice. It's got some cloud cover, so it's kind of cooled down. It's just been turning out to a beautiful day. It's a great day to come out and see some beautiful cars. I mean, just see some of the examples here. We got this striking red and black wagon here with a little bit of customization here. They put the Danchuk's side panel inserts without the logos on it. So kind of a nice little touch there. Back over here we've got a four-door wagon looking really nice. And we'll just kind of pan around here and kind of take in some of the cars here. Just a great day, great crowd, lots of support, and we love you guys. We really thank you for all you've done for us. We do this for you. The car guys, the guys who are working on the cars with the projects. We got a couple of vehicles here that are going to be making the trip to the Grand Nationals. Or excuse me, not the Grand Nationals, but the Trifive Nationals. And this is just a few of the cars down here. Some more Trifives over here. Kind of pan over here and take it all in. Lots of great examples. There's about 60 cars here in this corral. But as I walk around and see more and more Trifives, just some beautiful things. This beautiful 55. Let me back up here a little bit. Just a gorgeous car with some custom wheels on it. Beautiful interior. A beautiful Nomad right here. Let me walk out here in the street. Kind of pull it up. Tri-5 Chevy Corral. And there's just a beautiful engine compartment here. Just a fuel injection system there. Anyways, it's just been a beautiful day. This is Saturday, the second day of the show. This is the busy day of the show. And the biggest crowds are here, but we're here for one more day as we wrap up this show tomorrow. Anyways, be sure to come by and see us at the Danchuk booth at booth 168 in the Showplex building. Again, this is Mike Martin with Danchuk Manufacturing coming to you from the Goodguys Pacific Northwest Nationals in Puyallup, Washington. Talk to you soon.